Hi, welcome back to Oppora Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to extract leads using the Oppora extension. If you don't have Oppora yet, the sign-up link will be in the description below. Go check it out and create your account. Now let's get into the video. First, go to the Oppora sidebar. Scroll down and at the bottom you'll find Integrations. Click on it. Now click on Add to Chrome and then add the extension to your Chrome browser. Once installed, let's pin the extension for easy access. Now go back to the Oppora dashboard and click on Lists. Create a new list. Let's name it Agentic AI and click Create. Perfect, the list has been created. Now let's go to LinkedIn. Search for Agentic AI companies. Click on the Companies filter. Next, open the Oppora extension by clicking on it. As you can see, Oppora has already extracted the company data automatically. Now let's select all the companies and extract them into our list. Scroll down and click on the Submit button. Great, the data has been successfully extracted. Now go back to the Oppora dashboard and refresh the page. And here we go. All the company data is now available inside our list. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.